Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing a new offering on my channel. I'm doing something kind of special. This is the first box in I believe four boxes that I have ordered, specifically under $20, to show you guys with a side-by-side comparison what that looks like. So I searched everywhere, all over, Cratejoy, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Google, blah, 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 for any box that was $20 or less in the witchy subscription box world that wasn't just literally a single item. Like a small collection of items. I believe that it is possible. It's challenging for sure, but I believe it is possible. I found four. And I bought each of them. I ordered a subscription of each of them to try it out so that I could do a special side-by-side each month to show you boxes in this price range. And that's going to be something that's coming. I'm going to try specifically to try different price ranges than I normally do to show you guys what's out there in different price ranges. So this is the first box. It's actually comes in a beautiful bag, which I like very much. I accidentally opened it because I was like, what the hell is this? So, and my address is on the other side, so I'm not going to pull that up. But let's just put this aside. Okay. It is the Lady of the Light subscription box service. This is their least expensive box. I believe it's the Priestess Box. And I want to say it was $14.95. And I always look at this last, so let's come back to this. So the first thing I noticed was this large Kama Sutra incense sticks. Smells very nice and looks like a pretty significant. Ooh, my God, I ripped it. Sorry. I ripped it. And it's got somebody's red hair in it. Don't worry, I will not curse you. Whoever's hair this is. Gross. It's not gross because it's not food or anything, but it's something that I'm cognizant of. So let's see, like, this is a lot. This is a lot of incense. Probably 2 to 3 times the normal bundle I get in my other subscription boxes. I don't usually get like this kind. I get like probably 6 to 8 sticks bundled up, which is, you know, honestly enough for me, but that's really cool. We have these cones, Palo Santo, which is my absolute favorite smell, so I'm super excited. It smells like heaven to me. We've got this beautiful looks like white sage and rose petals or flower petals of some sort for sacred smoke. Love that. Absolutely lovely. And I like to reuse the bags as well. And then it looks like we have, I mean, it looks to me like a little notebook. Let me see what we got here. Just opening it, sorry. And I got a doggy in here. Everybody was supposed to go with Dad, but this is much later than I normally do because I was packing subscription boxes. I told myself, I was like, just pack these damn boxes so you can send them out so these poor women can stop waiting on you. Oh, it's a paper pad. Very nice. I like the outside. It's all connected and together. The inside paper is pretty nice too. Like, not thin. It's nicer paper. The outside's like a thick kind of, like almost cloth paper. So, there's that. Very cool. Welcome to the Lady of Light subscription box service. Thank you for joining us on the path to self-discovery and inspiration. You mean the world to us, and we want to make your experience magical every step of the way. If you have any questions regarding the contents of your box, please email us at theinnergoddess@yahoo.com. We invite you to follow us on Facebook.com/inspired new age for sneak peeks, special products, and daily wisdom. Special offer, do you want to sign up for the full goddess box, the professional pagan box, or the aura song box to enjoy even more sacred tools for your spiritual practice? Use the code. I probably will use the code because I do want to try all these boxes. Dear so-and-so. That's really cute. Okay, this month we celebrate Bridget, the Celtic goddess of fire, protection, potential, and home. In this package you will find a bundle of white sage smudging medicine with rose petals, a notebook with a butterfly themes. Butterflies are a symbol of transformation, a pack of incense cones, and a pack of incense sticks. It has prices. You know, I don't actually ever buy any of this stuff because I get it in subscription boxes, so I'm not sure if that's going price, but let's see. Bridget is the solar goddess of healing, poetry, protection, and home. As a solar deity, her attributes are light, inspiration, and skills associated with fire. As such, she is the patroness of inner healing and the vital energies of the body. Bridget is also the inspiration behind poetry, bardic lore, and the totality of the culture, ancestral learning, and oral tradition in the Celtic tradition. As the benefactress of the primal element of fire, molding the metal of earth through skill, knowledge, and strength, Bridget is connected with smithcraft and jewelry making. In guiding the fires of the inner healing, Bridget is also the goddess of physicians and healing, divination, and prophecy. One of her most ancient names is Briosea Head, meaning a fiery arrow which brings with it the attributes of punishment and divine justice. As such, Bridget is also associated with karma and the balancing of the universal scales of justice and law. Since Bridget is a goddess of fire, I think it's a great time to prepare for your spire spells. If you ordered a box instead of a package, you have received 3 spell candles. If you order the Priestess package, which is what I ordered, you can pick up any candles you already have on hand. The first thing you need to know about fire magic is that the color of the candle matters. When you light a candle, you release its energetic vibration to affect or represent a part of the energy world within you and inside of you. It is often that we use green candles for health, fire spells, pink for love, etc. But before we even light a candle, it's important to understand how its color will affect you personally. And it has a practical activity. It's very nice for learning or like a refresher. Some affirmations for the month. I am healthy of body, mind, and spirit. I am inspired with creativity. My heart is filled with passion for life. So there's an insight card in the boxes. We hope that you're enjoying your Bridget Priestess package and look forward to surprising you next month with the next Priestess package. White light and bright blessings to you, Juliana from the Lady of Light. We love to see your unboxings. Please post to social media and tag us, #Lady of Light. Love your box. Leave us feedback. Thank you. So I will tag them. I think this was a very good deal. I'm almost certain, I'm going to leave the information below, but I'm almost certain it was $14.95 to my door, which I think for these items and a really nice little booklet of information, that's totally worth it. And actually really did cheer me up and brighten my day, and it was a really nice, kind of unexpected surprise because I completely forgot that I bought it. And also, I bought it like 7 to 10 days ago, so it came pretty freaking quick. So, awesome. So far, I have nothing but good things to say about this. Really reasonably priced, really stuff that I would use, totally. Stuff that I actually go through very, very quickly. It's incense and sage. So, totally cool. Anyways, what do you guys think? Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.